Hi, this is Brian with Mr. Ritter Plumbing doing a sewer scope at the Applewood Apartments. Address is 4900 Southwest 170th Avenue in Beaverton 97007. We have three accessible cleanouts that are all 4-inch ABS pipe. The first one we're at here is if you're looking from the parking lot at the apartments, we're going to start at the one at the far left. When we get to the bottom of each cleanout, we're going to go ahead and zero the footage meter out so we get a proper footage out towards the city main. And we are checking for serviceability issues with the sewer line. So, bottom of the first clean out here, we're going to call this clean out number 1, and we're going to proceed out towards the main. Alright, so right here at the 10-foot mark, looks like we have some standing water. It looks like we're tying into a common line here, so we're going to go ahead and push into this. Actually, we're going to go ahead and pause the video and locate this point here. Alright, so we're going to push into this line here, and this is heading out towards the main street. Okay, so we're at the 100-foot mark here. Line still seems to be in pretty decent shape. Camera's only 100 feet long, so we're going to go ahead and pull the camera back and move on to the next clean out. Okay, so we've marked this point here, but in doing so, I found an additional clean out that's still on property, but would be a lot closer to the city main, so we're going to move on to that one. Alright, looks like the belly is gone. There's just probably was some debris buildup. Alright, go ahead and pause the video, move on to the second clean out, which is almost towards the street. Okay, we pulled the second clean out up that I thought was a sewer cleanup, but it's actually for a different line, probably a storm. Okay, so here's a second 4-inch ABS clean out. That's if you're looking at the building, it's the main building on the right. Zero the footage meter out. This will probably most likely run out of probably about, I would say, about 10 to 15 feet and then tie back into that private main line that's running down along the grass next to the sidewalk. Looks like here at the start of the 22-foot mark, we started a belly. We're going to go ahead and mark this. Okay, so this line is actually the beginning of the run here. So we're going to push through this belly and then mark the end of it. It looks like we have a discharge from a washer going on right now. We'll have to come back and mark the end of this belly. So right here is where the first clean out ties in. So we're going to go ahead and pause the video here and just wait for this water to stop draining. Okay, so water's still flowing, so we're going to go ahead and pull the camera back and hopefully we can locate where the end of that belly is. Okay, so it looks like the end of the belly is right about in this area here, so we're going to go ahead and locate that point. Okay, we located this point approximately 20 feet away from the beginning of it, at 3 foot 9 inches deep. Okay, so we located this point at 3 foot 8 inches deep. So the line's pretty much sitting flat. Okay, so we're going to move to the third cleanout, which is in front of the manager's building. Okay, so now we're at the third cleanout that's in the walkway in front of the manager's building. We're going to proceed out towards the main. Hopefully we'll get all the way to the main that's on the main run here. Transitioning to 4-inch 3034 PVC. Okay, so unfortunately this is the end of my camera line. It's only 100 feet long, so I put this well out into the road. Hopefully I'm going to be able to locate this and see how far we are from the main. Okay, so look at this pointer roughly around 8 feet deep. We are roughly 10 feet away from the city main that's in the middle of the road, but I would assume that this last 10-foot portion is in good condition. Alright, that concludes the sewer scope. Sewer line, the sewer system altogether is in pretty decent shape besides the one belly that's approximately, I would say, around the 25 to 30 foot mark. That's located in the middle building if you're looking in the parking lot. So it is a failed sewer scope due to the belly, but it's very minor. Thank you.